I have a question for you. Do you still make money from crypto by buying it when it's low and selling it when the price pumps? Then you're missing out on a huge opportunity where people are making passive income by lending out their crypto. That's the reason why I have made this two-part video series on the top 11 crypto lending platforms to earn passive income in 2022. Hi, my name is Adnan, and in this part I will be taking you through the top 5 platforms where you can lend and earn passive income from. Without any further delay, let's get started. Did you know that your idle bitcoins in your wallet could give you passive income? Let's look at some of the best platforms where you can lend bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Currently, crypto is the biggest buzzword in the market, and people are desperate to try and earn profits in the crypto world. Several people have a misconception that crypto is similar to stocks and only limited to that. But in reality, there's so much more to know about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. One of the most common ways of investing in cryptocurrencies is buying and holding them till the price of the asset rises. But is it the only way to earn something from the crypto market? Well, the answer is no. If you dig deeper, you will see plenty of people talking about crypto lending and earning interest. Yes, you can gain high rates of interest in the invested amount in different cryptocurrencies. That sounds like a fantastic deal, right? The concept of lending remains the same as the traditional one, but the only difference here is that investors lend out cryptocurrencies on some platforms instead of fiat currency. The borrowers take up crypto loans from different platforms for trading or any other purposes. The investors get crypto dividends in return for the amount they lend to borrowers on any decentralized platform. Wait, if you want to know more on how cryptocurrency lending and borrowing works, watch my video in which I explain exactly how it works. For now, let's get back. How to choose a cryptocurrency lending platform? There are several factors that you need to consider while selecting any lending platform. Some of the key factors to consider are interest rates. Choose a platform based on the interest rate of that particular coin on any specific platform. Number 2, platform risks. Go through the track record of the platform for better understanding. Number 3, fees. Compare the costs of different platforms for different coins. Number 4, deposit limit. See to it if there's any minimum deposit amount requirement or not. Number 5, lending duration. Check if it's fixed or not. Number 6, collateral. Compare the amount of collateral you need to get a specific loan amount among different platforms. The most important point is that you should select the right platform for a particular coin. For instance, if you see that Binance provides better returns for lending Bitcoin, you should consider Binance for Bitcoins. You don't need to lend all other cryptos on the same platform. You should research other platforms to find out where you can get better returns for your chosen cryptocurrency. On the other hand, the borrower should compare different platforms to see where they can get a crypto loan at the lowest interest rate for their crypto asset. Now, let us look at some of the best crypto lending platforms. Number 1, CoinRabbit. When it comes to crypto lending, this is the simplest and fastest solution. CoinRabbit. The simple interface and non-KYC approach, you only need your email or phone number to create an account, makes CoinRabbit the best choice for beginners as well as experts who value their time. Despite the simplicity of use, CoinRabbit pays much attention to the security of the client's funds. Multiple security checks are always carried out. After receiving the funds, they are separately withdrawn to their system of cold wallets. Besides, you can always protect your account with a 2-factor authentication additional protection. The APR is just 1.2% per month and is supplemented by completely free withdrawals available anytime and unlimited time frames for your loans. Repay them partially or in full when feeling that the time has come. Plus, CoinRabbit provides a system to decrease your liquidation price as flexible as you want. For those who want to make some decent passive income, CoinRabbit makes the process simple, easy and fast. Fixed 10% APY with no additional conditions is by far the highest in the whole market. Number 2, SpectroCoin. Among the many things SpectroCoin does, its crypto loans is one of the finest applications of centralized finance. Based on the coin, you can choose a loan to value or LTV from 25% to 75%. SpectroCoin accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash and many more as collateral. As expected, the highest LTV is available for Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, choosing a high LTV increases your interest rates while a bigger loan amount decreases them. Withdrawals are permitted in USD, Euro, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The best part of SpectroCoin is the flexible range for the loans. You can avail as little as €25 up to 1 million. Number 3. Nebeus. Nebeus is the complete crypto platform that you need, as they have a full ecosystem for borrowing, earning, trading, and even insuring your crypto. When it comes to crypto renting, they have some of the best rates in the market offered in 4 different earning programs. For instance, you can lend crypto and gain 6.5% interest per year, or lend stablecoins and earn 12.85% interest per year. The great thing is that you can get paid and withdraw your gains as often as 24 hours even without a single fee. Apart from the impressive earning rates, what Nebeus does best is crypto-backed loans. 2 options are available to adapt to every user. Quick loans are more suitable for smaller, daily expenses with 0% interest, and flexible loans are best for tailored individual needs as they have customizable terms. If you're looking for one robust platform that covers all your crypto needs, Nebeus is definitely a great choice. Number 4. BlockFi. BlockFi is the one-stop solution for buying, selling, and earning cryptocurrency. You can expect up to 8.5% API on different cryptocurrencies where you'll be paid monthly. There are no hidden charges or minimum balance requirements that you need to worry about. You can store all your crypto assets in one place and also make them earn more for you. If you require urgent cash, you can borrow funds from BlockFi by staking your crypto assets. You can borrow money at 4.5% APR. The best thing about BlockFi is that it's an ideal choice for people of all expertise levels. If you are a beginner, you can expect complete information about crypto from their service managers. On the other hand, if you're an expert, you can get support for your queries. Number 5. AAVE. AAVE is a pretty famous decentralized liquidity pool. It's a non-custodial pool where you can earn interest on your crypto deposits and also borrow funds by staking your assets. AAVE is a well-developed liquidity pool with plenty of features other than lending and borrowing crypto assets. When you move through the platform, you will see that it allows the users to deposit or borrow assets. The interest rates are also clearly mentioned to make it easy for you to compare the deposit and borrow rates on different platforms. There are different concepts involved in AAVE's protocol, like bug bounty and flash loans. The fascinating thing is that if you see any bug and report it to the developers, you can get up to $250,000 from the developers community in USDC tokens. So this is definitely worth exploring. Guys, there you have it. This is it for part 1. These are only half of the platforms because I didn't want to make this video too long for you. By now, this video should give you an idea what you should be doing with your crypto investments. In part 2, I will be taking you through the remaining crypto lending platforms to earn passive income from. If you found this video interesting and can't wait for part 2, I would suggest that you hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you don't miss when that video comes out. Simple, isn't it? For now, my name is Adnan Arif and see you in my next video.